Hi friends, I came back with a new video how to select master stock list for regular observation. So this will be our master stock list which will be observing on daily. All our strategies will be applying only to these stocks and will ignore all other stocks so that we can focus on our major stocks and get maximum benefit from the strategies. Okay, let's start. So first we have to go to NSE website and we have to select market data and we have to select Nifty 100 stocks. So in these 100 stocks we will be getting major observation stocks. So you have to download this CSV and you have to open in an Excel. So I have opened the stocks for you. So this is Nifty 100 stocks for August 4th. So from this list majorly I will concentrate on stocks with more than 200 and below 2500. So when you come here, so this is around 200. SBI I start with SBI and I will go up to the list. I will be selecting up to HDFC EMC. So copy this and paste in our master list. So just like that. So paste in our master list. Okay, you may be wondering why I kept this free, because I will be adding Nifty 50 here and Bank Nifty here. So okay, before that I have to explain you the rules. All the stocks should be in Nifty 50, Nifty 100 or Bank Nifty, and the range should be in between 200 to 2500, and the stock should have futures and options enabled. The stocks which are having block of future and option should not be taken into our observation. So we will be doing Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty compulsorily in our observation, and stocks like Infratel I am removing because I think it is not as a starter it's not good to do, and metal stocks like zinc I am removing. So finally we got around 50 stocks we got to observe, but we will not be doing observation of 50 stocks regularly, but we have a master list to observe. So this is index 1, index 2 we should observe. These are all observed for futures and these are all observed for intraday cash market. So similarly how to do for option selection and futures for stocks I will be doing in another video. So hope how to select master stock list for regular observation is helpful for you. So we'll be doing another video for, we'll shortlist for observation of monthly expiry options and the stocks which are eligible for observation in futures. Okay, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel also. Thank you.